Okay, so we're just going to cut it. Yeah, it looks like it's boxed up pretty good. It's in a bag. Got a little, just kind of can peel that open. And you guys can see what that looks like. It's packaged up pretty good. And we're going to pull it out for the first time. You guys are watching this as we go. Now, you guys are getting a first-hand look at it because I'm in behind it. So this is the grill. American Modified Off-Road. Now I'm going to place it down so that I can actually see what it looks like. Tammy's giving me a big thumbs up. Oh, it's very nice quality. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 LED lights. Okay, so we're going to start to take off. Hope you can see these little push tabs. And I have a special tool for those. I actually call this a dash tool, so you can take your dash apart without marring it or scratching it. And we're just going to, you just get under these and pop them right up. And there's 10 of them across the whole grill. And there's a couple that are countersunk. If you can see that, in a deeper hole. So we just use a regular screwdriver to pop them up. So we're going to take those out right now. There's 10 of them across that, and we're going to take this black plastic piece off. So these are what the little plastic pieces look like. When you push that in, it just opens up. So there's 10 of these that go across. In case you're not familiar with them, I just wanted to point out what they are. And we're going to take that black piece off right now. Okay, so it's a 10 millimeter socket to take off the bolts that are under here, but you have to take off one 10 millimeter, and I chose to do it with an impact, battery powered impact. It's quicker. This is your air intake, and you have to take this one bolt off to get that top thing off. And of course, I think that one bolt is 8 millimeter. Well, let's see what it is. It might even be a plastic snapperoo. Yep. Okay, so I'm just going to point this out. This plastic snapper is longer than the other 10. This is number 11, and it goes on the left side of the truck. So just keep in mind, we got one long one. It goes on the left.
One on the right, though.
And the reasoning being is that actually holds this down and the air intake. So now this should just pop right out. And I'm just going to point something out over here that when you put this back in, you have to make sure that your slid on this piece goes underneath the air intake. So that's the only thing you have to make sure that you push it under there. And then this just pops right off. And we'll put that aside on the ground. We might actually wash it. It's dirty. Okay. So now we're coming back up here on the grill, and you can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 10 millimeter bolts, and we're going to pop them off right now. And we're not going to bore you with that. We'll pop these off and we'll be right back. Okay, so you really don't be afraid to yank. And that's the grills off. As you can see, it's just plastic things. And now we got a little wire. Well, there's a little button to push here to get that off. And then a little black cylinder piece here, just like a half circle. And this is for your windshield washer.
We're gonna have to get a tool. When we turn it off.
No. So this is just a little split ring plastic that takes your washer off. And then I'm going to take this off and I'll show you what it looks like, because I'm going to need Tammy's help to hold the grill while I pop that off. So we'll be right back. Okay, so this is the little connection for the camera. You have to push it, a little screwdriver, and I couldn't do it, and hold the grill. Now, the new grill, the Armor grill, does not have that connection or anything for the camera, but we're going to put the grill on anyhow, and we're just going to tuck those wires back there, and that's how we're going to roll. So we're going to go get the new grill. And these little clips, if you can see them, they're all across. They come off pretty easy. You just want to make sure that your bolt clips, that you didn't lose any. There's 2, 4, 6, 8. You want to make sure they're in place when you put the new grill on. Okay, so these are the factory clips, and they go in there. You just put a screwdriver in the hole here, push them down and pull them out. Because as you can see on the new grill that Tammy's holding, it comes with brand new ones already mounted, so you got to take the stock ones out to push the grill in. Okay, so now we snapped it back in. It's in, and Tammy will give you an overall shot of what it looks like. It's a badass looking grill, there's no doubt. Makes the front look mean. And now we're just going to start by putting all these bolts back in. And we're not going to bore you like I was saying on all of that. You've seen them come out, you just reverse it, you put them all in, tighten them up. And then, now it's recommended that you hook this wire for these LED lights to your headlights. But Tammy has halo lights and rock lights in her wheel wells. And she decided that she'd like these to come on when she's running all those lights. So we're going to do it a little different than they recommend. We're going to hook it to her switch system for her lights on her wheels. Now you could put this on a toggle switch if you wanted to have it separately. If you have a switch panel like I have in my van, you could put it on your upper console switch. They just recommend put it on the headlight. It's one of the easiest ways, and when you turn your lights on, these will come on. So we're going to split these wires up and get them ready to go, and we'll be right back. Okay, this is with them on, and we're going to shut the hood, show you what the grill looks like. And that's with the hood down. Looks pretty good. I get a little bit of a side angle, show you from here. And this is with the lights off. Grill looks great, awesome quality. There's a few handprints on it. We're going to wipe it all down and finish getting everything and put some wire ties on the wires. And that's about it. And we'll finish her up.